Hello friends, welcome to the part 2 of the Indian Constitution 21. Elections to the local government bodies are made mandatory by which amendment? 73rd Amendment. Panchayat Raj is included in the state list. Village Panchayat is organized under which article of the Constitution of India? Article 40. Among the following, which agency conducts election to the local bodies? State Election Commission. Chairman of the National Development Council is the Prime Minister. Who appoints the chairman of the Finance Commission? The President. The members of the Council of States in India is elected for a period of 6 years. The President can't adjourn Lok Sabha. The duration of an ordinance issued by the President of India is 6 weeks from the date of Assembly of the Parliament. All speeches made in the House of People are addressed to the Speaker. Who promulgates ordinances in states? The Governor. Who presides over the joint sitting of the Parliament? The Speaker. The amending power of the Constitution of India is described in the article. It's missing. Article is 368. The ex officio chairman of the Council of States is Vice President. In India, the Council of State is responsible to the state. The number of the Anglo-Indians nominated to the House of People is 2. The number of nominated members to the Council of States is 12. The number of elected members to the House of the People, 543 members. Who is the person authorized to conduct the election of the Speaker in a newly elected House of the People in India? Pro-term Speaker. Who was the chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee? That was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. How many methods are there to amend the Constitution of India? That was 3 methods. Quo warranto is a writ. Article 352 of the Indian Constitution deals with national emergency. Which right was remarked by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Right to constitutional remedies. The Indian Constitution guarantees how many categories of fundamental rights? 6 categories. Which constitutional amendment incorporated the fundamental duties in the Constitution of India? That was 42nd Amendment. Right to property was deleted by which amendment? 71st Amendment. Who said the preamble is the key to the Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Article 19 of the Constitution of India contains 6 fundamental freedoms. The chairman of the National Human Rights Commission is appointed by the President. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.